Hey yo, what's good, you hypebeasts? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and also don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on future videos just like this one. I apologize if my voice sounds messed up. I actually debated on making this video because of how bad my voice is, but I figured you guys would want to know how to cop these Yeezys that are dropping this Saturday. So the last video I posted on this channel was about the utility black 500s. However, I didn't tell you guys how to cop them. I only give you guys the release information, but this time I'm going to give you guys tips and tricks on where to cop them and how to cop them. So if you guys follow Yeezy Mafia and you guys have your Twitter notifications on for them, they did tweet a link to the info of this sneaker and all its information as far as when it's dropping, what time, from where, and all this other information. However, the first time around they got it wrong, and now that I'm checking back on the website, they did actually re-update it, and now all the information is correct. The sneakers are dropping on July 7th for the price of $200, which were the same price as the blushes and also the Supermoon yellows. However, the stock level for these will be less than the Supermoon yellows, but I think they will be a little bit higher, or if not the same as the blushes. Previously on Yeezy Mafia, they said that the foot sites will be getting the sneakers. However, they just changed it to no, and that is true because when they did put yes, I actually went onto the foot sites apps such as Foot Locker, Champs, and Foot Action, and the sneakers were not on there. And for every Saturday release, if it's not on there by Monday, at least by noon, it is more than likely that those 3 stores will not be getting the sneakers. However, there is some circumstances that later on in the week, sometimes Tuesday or Wednesday, they do post a sneaker on there. But as far as Yeezys go, this has never happened. This usually just happens for Jordan releases. And one thing about foot sites, it does make it a lot easier for people to get them because people can just get them on the app and get them the same day, since they can just go to the local Foot Action, Foot Locker, or Champs store on the day of the release. Not only that, but you can also raise your chances through these apps. So this is going to make the sneaker a little bit harder to get, but it won't be too hard because there is a bunch of other websites still going to be getting them, such as consortium stores and other retailers. Adidas stores will be getting the sneakers, so that means on Wednesday by noon, you do have to be checked into the app, and by 4 o'clock, you have to be ready to reserve your sneaker. And if you missed out through the confirmed app, then you can try again on Saturday at 10 a.m. off the Adidas website, such as Adidas US or Europe or even Australia, because I'm pretty sure they have their own website as well. And they will be dropping 10 a.m. Eastern time in the US and 10 a.m. CEST, which is probably Central Eastern time over in Europe. As far as the list of retailers that are dropping them, it is not out yet exactly, but you can call up your local store that usually get the sneakers, such as any Yeezys or any hype sneaker releases, and ask them if they're going to get the sneaker, and ask them how you can join the raffles or how you can get the sneaker. Most of them usually do raffles, so it's fair for everybody. One last store that's going to be getting the sneaker is Yeezy Supply, and the sneaker will be dropping at a random time. However, if you have your notifications on with Soul Links on Twitter, they do tweet out when the shoe goes live on their website, so you guys can be the first ones on there to purchase it, because honestly, I found this is the best way to get the sneakers lately. That's how I got my 2 pairs of blushes. I got one from the pre-order and then I got the other one from the regular drop. And another easy way to get the sneakers is go through the confirmed app. If you guys have used it in the past and have succeeded with it, then I recommend you guys do it through that way. Also, there's a lot of tips and tricks on YouTube on how to use the app and how to succeed more often. Anyways, if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to give the video a thumbs up, and also, like I said, don't forget to subscribe so you guys don't miss out on any future videos such as this one. Anyways guys, until next time, make sure you guys keep grinding. It's your boy Sneaker signing out.